Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix FiveM is not launching. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, the first method is for NVIDIA users. You need to open up NVIDIA app. Then you need to go to settings, make sure overlay is enabled, and to open I just need to press Alt-Z. And then you just need to launch FiveM. Wait until it loads up. And once it loads up, you just need to press overlay, which is Alt-Z. Once FiveM is opened, you just need to press Alt-Z. Then you need to press on record, or not record, game filters, I'm sorry. And then you need to basically set this one to 0 if it's available for you here. For me, it's not available, so there is no such option, but for you should be if the game is not running. Another thing preventing from launching FiveM, also your overlay. So press Alt-Z and then go to instant replay and make sure shadow play is turned off here and then also here. And then look if the problem persists or not. Next fix is you just need to open up Test Manager. Then you need to make sure Rockstar Games, it's not basically under the processes here, and also FiveM as well. And then what you need to do here is to press Windows and IQ or simply write run. And then here you need to write %local app data %. Then you need to look for Rockstar Games. Then you need to look for launcher and rename it launcher GTA 5. Like this. For me, I need to replace it, but for you, maybe it's not. And then once basically you rename the folder, launch FiveM and it should open. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like.